It's the end of October in Canada. It's about to snow this weekend. I got my new winter wheels and it's time to winterize the GTI. Winters in Canada are harsh, so you need to prepare the car for it. You start with winter tires, you need rubber mats, and you need to protect the paint. So this year I got a new set of winter tires for the GTI. I downgraded from the 18s down to the 17s, so I have a little bit more rubber. The first step I do is prepare the actual rims because they are new rims, so I'll put a ceramic coating on the front and a synthetic sealant on the back to protect them and make them easier to clean. After that, I will clean the rubber mats to replace the current carpet mats. Then I will give the car a quick wash at the bay. It's too cold to wash it at home. That way, when I remove the summer wheels, they're semi-clean. Usually, you want to put some kind of protection on your paint. My car is ceramic coated, so I do not need to do that. I will just put some reload on it just to refresh it and make sure it lasts through winter. And then we're done. Then I'll come back, put on the winter wheels and tires, and I'm ready for winter. So here is me getting the GTI ready for winter. Enjoy!
Cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh.